I'm opening the Deadbolt Mystery Society subscription box, which this month belongs to the Last Love box. This is what we see. So we have a sticker. Oh, these are hair, red hair, nose, clown nose. These are, okay, this is funny. I might use this later on. This is a fart thing. And then we have some pictures, which I believe are the suspects, I suppose. And it gives you a few pointers of, okay, so this is like what someone says after interviewing each person, what they believe of each person. So there's another sticker, and it says start here. Okay, I'm not going to open it yet. I'm just going to read it first. 1, compare everything in your box to the content list for the box you're working. And they give you a website where you can find it. 2, read everything. 3, look for things in the box that could feasibly connect to each other. Okay, so I can open everything in the box and look around it. 4, follow your instincts. And 5, solve all the puzzles. Okay. Oh, there's more. 6, many of our boxes employ use of QR codes. Okay, so you might need to install an app in the phone unless you don't have it yet. And 7, QR codes and files might be password protected. Okay. 8, don't be afraid to use the hint files. 9, utilize other members of the society, which means do it in groups. And 10, once you have solved the mystery for the month, check your plan. Okay. Okay, so there's a brief receipt, like this month is we said it was the last laugh, so it's related to clowns, I suppose, because it's everywhere. And here's part of the story. Then we have a picture, which could be the victim. Then we have another picture, which could, with a QR code, which I'm going to check later on. And I don't know what it is, but it's, yeah, okay, maybe it just tells you the place where it happened. I don't know. There's notes written by the detective. Then there's one of the suspects. Could it be a suspect? We said the other ones could be the suspects. Well, we don't know what this is, but it's here, so it's a clue to something. Then we have a writing machine, which I suppose it has another name, but I don't know of. Then we have other, like it's like the first one we said, that it's another clue, which I don't know what meanings. Looks, another one. Then there's this photograph, which you can actually see that it says news and freak. Yeah. And then we have this, which now it doesn't believe, and it doesn't mean anything, but I believe it will mean something. Oh, it has to. And then we have this picture of snakes. I said snakes, sorry, spiders, which has an interesting pattern to it. And then we have, wait, oh, this is backwards, but it's another interview. Then we have, well, some kind of coded message here. Then another picture with a QR. A picture. Oh, yeah, QR with some. Okay, tickets for movie. No, couldn't. Tickets for the park, and then there's a QR code, another one, and another one, and yeah, the final one. It says solve all the puzzles and ready to complete the box, and there's a QR code and enter the first and last name of the killer, so you can know if you entered. So I'm not going to solve this mystery yet. I'm gonna do it with my family, and then I'll tell you what I think about it. It's been a while. These are my thoughts from the game. It was fun. Some of the puzzles were easy to solve, such as comic letters, because there was a huge hint in another interview, which are some of these. Like, this is an interview. As other puzzles, such as the one with the typewriter, took us a while to figure out, although looking back, it should have been obvious. You could have guessed who was the killer right after opening one of the QR code protected documents, but if you don't solve all the puzzles, you don't get 100% the answer. So, yeah, that's quite it. There are some items in the box that are unrelated to the case, such as this thing, this, which I said previously was a sticker, and it's not. It's a tattoo, and the sticker. And, well, the only thing I might say was hard for us was the fact that there was a commercial you had to watch to get a clue, and it was in English. So for people that aren't whose mother tongue is not English, it was quite difficult to guess the exact point they wanted to say, because it was like a strange voice saying the information. And well, but in the end it was a lot of fun. So if you want to watch more videos such as this, click on the subscribe button and give it a like. See you on my next video.